Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume moringa leaves. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a versatile superfood that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Whether you prefer fresh leaves or convenient powder, there are simple ways to enjoy its benefits. Let's explore how to prepare and use this incredible plant. Preparing fresh moringa leaves is quite simple. First, rinse them well to remove any dirt or debris. Then, gently pluck the small, oval leaves from their woody stems. These fresh leaves have a slightly peppery taste, similar to arugula. You can toss them into your favorite salad, blend them into a vibrant green smoothie, or lightly sauté them with other vegetables for a nutritious side. Moringa powder offers a convenient way to consume this superfood. It's made from dried leaves, retaining many nutrients. A common starting dose is about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily. You can easily mix it into a glass of water, your morning juice, or a protein shake. It also blends well into yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkled over a warm bowl of soup for an extra nutritional boost. To truly benefit from moringa, consistency is important. Try to incorporate it into your diet daily. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it over time, listening to your body's response. Pairing moringa with healthy fats, like those found in avocados or olive oil, can help your body absorb its fat-soluble vitamins more effectively. Experiment with different recipes to find your favorite ways to enjoy this powerful plant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.